Hi, my name is Andrew Hong, and I'm a product specialist with DJ Tech. I'm here today to talk a little bit about one of our new products, the DJ Keyboard, which is an all-in-one USB controller which has 85 functions on it and maps directly to the Deckadance LE software. This package is everything you need to get up and started in the digital DJing world, and it includes the DJ Keyboard as well as the Deckadance LE software. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to run through some of the major features of the DJ Keyboard and show you how they directly map to Deckadance. So let's dive right in. So as you can see here, in the middle of the keyboard, what we have is basically a trackpad or a mouse. And what this allows you to do is to basically use it as a normal mouse. You can play, you can cue, and you can use it to adjust your X and Y parameters here, as well as reset them. And another cool feature about this trackpad is if you have a track playing, you can put your mouse over the waveform, put 2 fingers down, and then use that to scroll back, to scratch back and forth between your track. So that is, again, the mouse features of the DJ Keyboard, but that's just one feature that it has. One thing that you want to do with this is to be able to DJ without actually having to touch a mouse. So now what we'll do is we'll go through each of the individual functions here on the DJ Keyboard, and then I'll show you exactly how they map to Deckadance. So as you can see on the bottom, you have your play button, your cue button. You've got here on the top your pitch reset, your key lock, as well as a rocker switch for your pitch, so you can decrease or increase the speed of your track. You also have a pitch bend function, so you can nudge your track forward or backwards depending on where you are in the mix. The other part of this is the top here. You've got your lows, mids, and your highs, and these are individual kill switches, so you can completely kill your bass or completely kill your highs. You can also have some hotkeys here for the relooper function that's built within Deckadance and that's unique to Deckadance. And another cool feature here is you have kind of a one-stop shop access to either your samples, your cues, or your loops. So let's say if you have a track playing, you can hit the loop button to engage the auto loop, and you can increase or decrease the size of your auto loop using this key here. And then you can let go of the loop when you're ready to. You also have the sync function built in right here on the keyboard, so you can sync whatever track is currently playing out to the one you're trying to mix in. And another pretty neat feature about Deckadance is that you can press the sampler button here, and what it does is it pulls up all the individual samples that you have for each deck. So what you have is you've got a pre-assigned hotkey for your sample 1, for example, or you can go all the way to sample 8. All you have to do is press the center key to get rid of that interface on your screen, and now you're back up to your browser. You also have 4 individual hot cues per deck, and as well as an individual rocker switch for your volume or your line faders. And then on both sides here you have monitor keys to switch what side your cue is coming out of. Another cool feature about this as well is you've got this circular interface here which allows you to scroll up and down between your tracks and your playlist. All you have to do is press left to load it in deck A and right to load it in deck B. You have your individual volume control for your headphones as well as for your master volume here. Finally, the last feature of this that I want to talk about is the crossfader that you have here. It's another rocker switch very similar to what you have for the pitch and for the volume, and you just click to the left to crossfade to the left or to deck A, or click to the right to crossfade to deck B. So those are all the major features of the DJ Keyboard. It's completely USB powered. There's no need for an auxiliary input. It also has an extra USB input here built into the device just in case you have a machine that does not have a lot of extra USB ports and you want to plug other devices while you're DJing. So this is the DJ Keyboard again. It's a perfect tool for you to be able to get in and move around in the world of digital DJing, and it's available right now. Thanks for your time.